Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by finding an English subtitle file that matches your movie release exactly. Download a SRT file and confirm the release name matches the movie file name. Check the SRT encoding and convert to UTF-8 if you see garbled characters. Place the subtitle file in the same folder as the video file and rename the SRT to match the movie file name exactly. This simple match ensures most players auto-load the subtitles when you open the movie file. Open the movie in VLC and add the matching SRT from subtitle, then add file. If subtitles are out of sync, adjust delay in Tools, then track synchronization by increments of 250 milliseconds. Shift forward or backward until dialogue lines match lip movements precisely. Use subtitle then subtrack to switch the English track on or off while watching. Save any preferred delay values by noting the milliseconds for future playback with the same release. To permanently add subtitles, open Handbrake and load your movie file into the queue. In the Subtitles tab, select the English SRT track and check Burn into Hardcode Subtitles. Choose MP4 as the output container and select a reasonable quality profile with CRF20 for balanced size and clarity. Confirm audio and video tracks, then click Start Encode to render a new file. The resulting video will have English subtitles permanently embedded for playback on any device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.